Hello crafters. Today I'm showing you how to make really cute little nail decals with your Cricut. I am going to show you a few different methods. So on this hand, I went ahead and tried two different methods. I did decals on 2 fingers, and then on this hand I tried the third method and it worked amazingly. So I'm going to show you what didn't work and what did work to give you success if you're wanting to make some really cute nail decals with your Cricut. I used my Cricut Maker, but you can use your Cricut Joy, Cricut Explore, whatever Cricut you have will work. And I also went ahead with some permanent adhesive vinyl, so that's what I chose. Choose whichever brand you like. I'm also going to show you the nail polish I'm working with. As a busy mom, I do not have the time to go get my nails done, let alone just sit and craft most days. Hence why my lives are so late on Friday nights, because I have to wait till the kids are in bed. So I went ahead, painted my nails at home, and I love the quality of this nail polish. So I'm really excited to put on these beautiful gel nails. I'm going to tell you all about it, show you what ones I would recommend, and then we're gonna get onto the nail decap tutorial. I'm obsessed. They're so cute and perfect for spring, so let's get to the tutorial. For today's decal, I went ahead on Google and just looked up retro 70s flower. It's kind of the vibe I was going for with my nails today. Find whatever you want, but I just went for something super simple, and that's what I would suggest for nail decals. A really simple kind of SVG or cut file. Now, I kind of skipped the full part, an explanation on how to upload something onto Cricut Design Space, because I have shown in full detail in multiple other videos. So if you need more clarification or me to go a little slower, please feel free to check out one of those tutorials. And for now, we're going to keep on going so I don't make this video too long. So I just went ahead and sized them, which can be pretty tricky with the nails. My nails aren't that long right now because they did break. I know, busy mom life, and when you're a crafter on top of it, your nails break all the time. That's just life, I guess. So I went ahead and sized them to what I liked, and I think I'm going to go in with 2 different colors here. So I'm just changing that so my Cricut knows I'm going to be cutting it out on 2 different cuts or mats, if that makes sense. I just went ahead and duplicated this. That way I have for each hand. I think I want to do 2 to 3 on each hand, not each nail, just kind of pick and choose which ones are longer to make it work. And then now I'm ready to go ahead and make it. For these decals, I'm going to use my standard grip mat. So we're gonna go ahead and put that there. And then I'm gonna choose out some vinyl. I think I'm gonna use my vinyl scraps. I really like to use up those, and I think this project is perfect for that. I have so many colors in my scraps, so we're definitely going to be using this color. So I chose my colors that I'm going to use. My materials, now I'm ready to go ahead and get started. So the first one we're doing is orange. I just realized I changed it from orange, so which color would be better? Do I want something more? I think I want to go with like this color, pink. Just a soft pink. Since I'm using my scraps, I am going to just line it up on my digital map on Cricut Designs. I do need to just go in and set my materials, so vinyl, and then I'm going to go and load my map. We're ready to load the first color. My Cricut is prompting me to load it up, so we're gonna press that. My blade is already there, so we're ready to go, and I'm ready to cut. So as soon as it starts flashing, I'm good to go. It gets noisy, so I'm gonna fast forward through this part, and then I'll come back once it's cut and ready to unload. Awesome, so it's prompting me to unload the mat. Super cute. Okay, those are way too big for my nails. So a little bit smaller. Awesome, so I went ahead and cut the pink one out again because it was way too large for my nails the first time. And now I'm going to put the yellow on, just another scrap, load it into my machine. It's just automatically prompting me to do so because I selected the 2 different color designs on Cricut Design Space. So my computer is telling my Cricut, hey, we're cutting it out on 2 different colors, 2 different cuts. So we're ready to go. If you're not sure, your Cricut or your Cricut Design Space is showing you what color to do next. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that out. Okay, awesome. So it's on there, good. We're gonna get ready to weed this out. So let's hop on over there and start weeding. A little Cricut tip for you, it's always great to pull the mat away from your vinyl or cardstock or whatever you're doing and not the other way around. That way it doesn't bend and curl your material. So the mat is super flexible. You can just flip it upside down, pull it away, and that's a great way to really preserve your decal. So now I'm just going ahead and placing it on the mat. I like to cut around so that I can reuse my scraps for other projects, hence why I have so many scraps, but it's great for projects like this. And then I'm using my little weeding tool to just pull out the parts that I do not want. These decals are super simple, so they were really easy to just weed in pretty much a one simple go, take out the middle of the flowers, and I'm done. Like I said, simple design is what you're going to want for these nail decals because it's super tiny. So trying to weed that out and apply it and get it on there, it might be a little trickier. So definitely try to go as simple as possible, and you can still make it super cute when it's simple. So now I'm just going to go ahead and actually use my weeding tool to do the transfer. So I'll show you in a little bit here, but I'm not using transfer tape because I don't want it to pull up the nail polish. So the simple design is great because I'm easily able to just move it with my weeding tool, pick it up, and then place it on my nail. But first we need to get painting. So let's hop on over to the nail polish. Today we're finally making some vinyl nail decals with our Cricut and some beautiful Madam Glam nail polishes. I'm so excited because Madam Glam kindly sent me these today, so I wanted to try them out, see how they go. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to give you that little tidbit ahead of time. This is just me giving my review and reaction, and we're making some beautiful nails today. First step is applying this cuticle oil, so I went ahead and did that. My hands are clean and ready to go. They're nice and moisturized. And then I'm going to select which color nail polish I'm wanting to do. We have I Lime You, Viola, Sweetness, and then the last one is Cherry Petals. I seriously cannot choose which one. Let me know which one is your favorites in the comments down below. It's between these two right now, I think.
I picked purple.
Pick purple? Okay, looks like we are gonna go with Viola today.
And do I get to pick the stickers?
Maybe. Can you not, little one? My craft room is being invaded by tiny humans. My kids are currently destroying the craft room. So what we're gonna do is pick out the color. I cut out my decals ahead of time, and then we're gonna come back later when the kids are occupied and get making some nails and decals. So we'll be back in a little bit. I'm so excited to get going. So I also have Madam Glam's little UV light, which is awesome for the gel nails. And then I have a top coat and a base coat. So we're gonna do that. I'm going to speed over the nail process because I am by no means a professional at it. You know, I just kind of go at my own pace. I actually think I'm going to go with this Sweetness. It's a really pretty blue and I think it's perfect for spring. So let's do that. I'm so excited to do these little nail decals. With these nail decals, I wanted to make sure that I had a really good quality nail polish to put on underneath because I wanted it to stay and to last. So I'm going to go ahead and add the base coat. They really give me such a salon quality manicure. And as a super busy mom like myself, I barely have the time to even get in some crafts, which is why my lives are so late on Friday nights. I know a lot of people, that's nighttime and bedtime for them by the time I go live. So, I mean, you can only imagine I don't have time for self-care very much. So going to the nail salon is absolutely not an option for me. I also just really wanted to have cute nails for the party this weekend, so I am going ahead and doing it myself from home, which is why I love Madam Glam so much, because you get salon quality nails at home for a fraction of the cost. So I'm going to go ahead, put that under there. I'm going to do the full base coat and then go in with 2 coats of this one. Sorry, then we're going to add our decal and then the top coat. So I started using Madam Glam's nail polishes last year and I have not used another type of nail polish since then because their gel polishes just feel so good. They're so easy to apply. I'm horrible with nail polish, but this is really great and I just really like the final result. So I decided to use their polishes for this nail decal tutorial, and I'm really excited to be able to do this. I think next time I'm going to go in probably with this really pretty soft pink and then do a decal of like a French manicure. So I'll do the decal of the tips for the nails white, and that's super cute. It's a really quick, budget-friendly DIY. I highly do recommend Madam Glam's nail polishes. Like I said, it's the only nail polish that I use and have used for the past, well, since last year when I found out about them. So I highly recommend. They did also give me a discount code for me to share with all of you, so I will leave that right here and in the description box below. I'll also leave their website if you wanted to check them out. They have gorgeous colors, and I'm just so excited. This is from their new spring collection. So I've done 2 coats of this on this hand, and I've cured those coats. I have not done the top coat yet, so I'm going to attempt on this hand one way, and then we'll see if it goes better this way or with the other hand, okay? So I'm just going to use my weeding tool instead of transfer tape to pull it up. So I think on this one we're going to go with the yellow. Let's do that. So I'm going to just place it on with my weeding tool, sticking on there pretty nice. And then when I go in with the top coat, it'll just really go on there. Now, my nails, because these are gel nails, they are a little bit sticky. I'm not liking this result quite yet. I want it to be really on there. So I'm gonna see maybe if I do a top coat and then put it over top. Let's see if that's better. On my hand, it's a little bit lifted and I don't want it to do that. So we're gonna try a different method and see if it works when I put the top coat on first. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be back once the top coat is on. And this time I'm gonna take my weeding tool and hold it down onto my nail decal. Now I'm just going to go in with some 100% acetone and add it to a tissue. And I'm just going to do this really lightly because I don't want to take off the polish. I just want to take off some of that sticky, that residue that gel polish kind of gives you. But the reason I did gel polish is the quality of it. Like, this feels amazing. It feels so nice. So I went ahead with a different color on this hand. If you can tell, it's a little bit different. I know I'm not the best at painting in the lines, but I went ahead with the color Viola on this hand, and it's super pretty. I think that one I prefer over this Sweetness. If I had to pick one, that was my favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead for this one. And before I put the decal on, I'm taking that sticky off with the 100% acetone. It's like a nail polish remover. Okay, so now they're no longer sticky. I'm going to go in with my decal, and I'm hoping my decals are now going to stick on there really well. Yeah, so already it just stuck down. I didn't even have to do anything or move it. This is the technique you're going to want to do, because now that it's wiped off, that sticky residue is gone, it's on there really well. So I'm glad I was able to show you the 3 different methods, because now we know what way works the best. So with this hand, this is the one that I did the top coat. I wiped off that sticky residue, and then I went ahead and I'm adding my decals now. So now my decal has something to kind of grip to, whereas before it was sort of slipping around across my nail. Okay, so as you can see the difference, this one is still a little bit lifted because it was sliding everywhere. This one is fully on my nail, and same with here. So we're going to go ahead and do a top coat over it just so that they stay on. So we're going in with a second top coat. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up both of these and then show you the results. I'm thoroughly impressed with how this one is ending up. So now I'm just going to go in one more time with this 100% acetone on the ones that I just did. The top coat on again, and just like a quick little wipe down, nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one nail while that one is curing. Just little wipes across it. Wow, that looks beautiful. I'm really impressed. And then this one is good, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this one. And because I used my weeding tool, I just wanna really wipe that off and make sure that there is no top coat that is cured to my tool. Thumb as well, like it just looks so cute. I really like it. I mean, they both look cute, but I would say this one ended up a lot better, and I can already tell this hand is going to last a lot longer because this one is a little bit lifted from me not wiping off that sticky residue first. So if you are doing gel nails for nail decals with your Cricut, make sure you wipe them off first, like I did with some acetone or your choice of remover. Go ahead and just do a little wipe on it just to make sure it's clean and not sticky, and then your vinyl has something to grip to instead of slide around. There you have my super cute little nail decals that I made with my Cricut. I am so excited to rock these at the birthday party this weekend. It's going to be so much fun, and with the flowers, it's perfect for the bee theme. I was kind of rushing towards the end because I'm really craving Chipotle and so hungry. So I'm going to dart on over to Chipotle, clean up in here, and get ready for tonight's live because I'm filming this on Friday night. So I will see you all in the live. I go live every single Friday and also throughout the week. My Friday night lives are normally around 7:30 PST, and I say around because it really depends when I can get the kids to bed. So I do go live, we hang out, we craft, we chat, you know, just fun things. We also have a Facebook group where we're able to share our creations, ask questions, and it's a really nice community where people are super supportive and kind. So if you wanted to join that group, please feel free to go ahead, send a request, and I will accept you to the group. The link for that will be in the description. If it's not your thing, no problem. Lastly, please don't forget to check out Madam Glam. They are amazing. They have the cutest colors. I am obsessed, and I cannot wait to paint the other colors that I have. So cute. I'm starting a whole collection now at this point because in the past year, I've been really racking up all their colors. Just check out their website. There's so many. They normally have really good discounts, and with the discount code that I have right here for you and in the description box, you'll be able to get a really good deal. So let me know what you think, and if you have tried out nail decals, let me know as well because I'm super curious how it turned out for you. Otherwise, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you love things like Cricut tutorials, Cricut tips, and any other Cricut content. Feel free to check out one of these two videos next. Any tips and tricks are always welcome in the comments, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye for now, crafters.